Hey everyone, so today is the day of Chia Seeds Pudding with yogurt. The first thing you're gonna do is put the chia then wait until everything sets. When the chia seed. Right after that, add in some yogurt. Here I put vanilla yogurt. You can change with any other type of yogurt as you like. Done. Serve it. Eat right away. Thank you.